Welcome to Product Critique, where today we'll be talking about the best stay clean toilet brush that you can get for your bathroom. The Lefree 2-pack silicone toilet brush and holder set. If you're looking for a durable, hygienic, and easy-to-use toilet brush that ensures your toilet stays spotless, then this is the product for you. First off, let's talk about the material. The Lefree toilet brush is made of premium TPR, which stands for thermoplastic rubber. This material is soft, flexible, and resilient, meaning it cleans effectively without scratching or damaging your toilet bowl. Whether your toilet has intricate grooves or hard-to-reach corners, the silicone rubber head easily glides over surfaces and cleans thoroughly, ensuring every corner is reached. One of the standout features of this brush is its specialized base. Unlike traditional brushes that tend to remain wet and can develop unpleasant odors, this brush comes with a detachable, ventilated base. This design promotes airflow and helps the brush dry faster, preventing the growth of bacteria and mold, and keeping your bathroom odor-free. The base also makes it super easy to store. You can either place it on the floor or mount it on the wall using the adhesive stickers provided. No drilling is required, which is great if you want to avoid any damage to your walls. The brush itself is ergonomically designed with a long handle, providing a comfortable grip while you clean. It's easy to maneuver, allowing for maximum control while you scrub. And once you're done cleaning, it's a breeze to rinse off the silicone bristles. The silicone head doesn't trap dirt, making it far more hygienic than traditional bristle brushes. If you're worried about installation, don't be. The brush comes with everything you need to set it up. You can either mount it on the wall or leave it standing on the floor. The installation process is straightforward and hassle-free, and you don't need any extra tools or complicated instructions to get started. This 2-pack set is an excellent value for money. The quality of the materials and the smart design ensure that this brush will last much longer than your typical plastic bristle brush. The 2-pack also gives you the flexibility to use one for your bathroom and keep the other as a backup. In conclusion, the Lefree silicone toilet brush and holder set is one of the best options out there for keeping your toilet clean and fresh. With its ergonomic design, easy maintenance, and hygienic properties, it's the perfect addition to any modern bathroom. If you're tired of dealing with smelly, inefficient toilet brushes, this set is a game changer. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the best products out there.